Excuse me, I'm looking for Tenu Media Pharmacy. Do you want this? Yes, I do. It's nearby. What do you need? I need to buy medicine for my younger sibling. Alright, Tanu Wijaya Pharmacy is 300 meters straight from here. You'll see an intersection. Okay, thanks. Which side is the pharmacy on? After the intersection, turn left. You'll see it's on the right side. How long will it take to walk? About 5 to 7 minutes. Just keep an eye at it on the right. Got it. Is there public transportation? Yes, but walking is easier. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Hope you find what you need. Bye. Wah, tuh, baca jadi. Oke, terima kasih. Mbok.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alma Khadonisa with NIM 192404118 from class A. Would you like briefly explain the adverbial clause of time for the WAS project? What is adverbial clause of time? Adverbial clause of time is an important part of English grammar. Proper use can make sentences more complex and clarify the sequence of events. Adverbial clause of time. An adverbial clause of time is a type of dependent clause that gives additional information about when an action or event occurs. It modifies the verb in the main clause by answering questions such as when did it happen or what time did it happen. An adverbial clause of time is a dependent clause that provides information about the time when an action or event takes place. I usually answer the question when and is introduced by subordinating conditions such as when, while, before, after, as soon as, and other. This type of clause gives additional detail to the main clause, specifying the time frame or the sequence of events. Function. Adverbial clause of time function such as number 1. Describe when an action occurs. Number 2. Show cause and effect relationship over time. Number 3. Indicate the time sequence. Number 4. Express duration or quantity of time. Next, structure. Number 1. Time conjunction plus subject plus predicate. Number 2. Flexible possession. At the beginning of a sentence. When an adverbial clause is at the beginning of a sentence, it is usually followed by a comma. Example, when the movie started, everyone was silent. At the end of the sentence. If the adverbial clause is at the end of a sentence, it does not need a comma. Example, everyone was silent when the movie started. Number 3, use the appropriate tense. Next type of adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of time is divided into several types based on the conjunction used. Here are some common types that are often encountered. Number 1, time point. This clause indicates the specific point in time when something happened. Number 2, time duration. Time clause show how long something lasts. Number 3, sequence of events. This clause describes the sequence of events that occurred. Use of sentences using adverbial clause of time. Number 1, when. Starting a specific time or specific event. Example, I was reading a book when the phone rang. Number 2, while. Describe two events taking place at the same time. Example, I listened to music while studying. Number 2, as. Describe two events that occur at the same time, often of short duration. Example, he arrived as I was leaving. Number 4, before. State that an action occurs before another action. Example, she left the house before the rain started. Number 5, after. State that an action occurs before another action. Example, I will call you after I finish my homework. Number 6, since. So the specific time since a specific event started. Example, I've been working here since I graduated. 7, until or till. State the deadline for an action. Example, don't leave till I get back. Number 8. 8. By the time. State that something happened before a certain time. Example, she had already left by the time we got there. 9. As soon as. State that an action occurs immediately after another action. Example, I call you as soon as I get home. 10. Whenever. State a non-specific time whenever something happens. Example, you can come over whenever you want. 11. No sooner than. Stated that an action occurs immediately after another action. Formal and often used in literature. Example, he left the room no sooner than she entered. 12. The moment that or the minute. State a specific time when something happened. Example, I know it was a mistake the moment I saw it. Use of adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of time is used to show the time relationship between two events or actions. They provide clear context about when something happened. Number 1, sequence of events. Show the sequence of event or action in a sentence. Number 2, concurrent action. Expresses action that occur simultaneously. Okay, we have reached the end. Sorry for any mistake. Thanks you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.